Today, our group will have a talk, and the title is IT skill development from a human resource perspective and the job requirement. First point is the importance of IT skill in today's fast-paced technologically driven. In today's fast-paced technologically driven, IT skills have become indispensable for both individual and organization. To navigate the complexity of the digital landscape, business needs talented IT experts. But how can human resource play a crucial role in managing this top talent? Let's find out. Second point is the importance of IT skill for individual and organization. The human resource team is the backbone of talent management within an organization. They understand that IT professional workers need more than just technical skill. They also know that IT professional workers need a variety of skills, including flexibility, problem solving, teamwork, and communication. The last point is the role of human resource in managing IT talent and facilitating skill development. IT environments are constantly evolving and require a continuous learning and technology adaptation mindset. This is where human resources come into play. They recognize the importance of continuous training and development to keep IT professionals at the forefront of the industry. Human resources play a pivotal role in recruiting, developing, and retaining talented IT professionals. Their info ensure that businesses have the IT capability they need to thrive in the digital age.
I'm going to present about the relation IT skill development among employees. Nowadays, the function of information technology IT has become important in every sector, including human resources. The IT skill development can increase the productivity and soft skill among the employees. The first one is training for new responsibility. When the employee moves to the new position, the HR manager have to prepare the training for them to develop the IT skill in adapting their works, while the employees can use the IT skill that learned through the training and development opportunities in their current roles, and they are needed in the future. The training will allow the employee to start as a trainees and with the IT skills, then will move to high level in HR activities. In addition, adapting to remote work, safety precautions related during COVID-19 pandemic, all the sector of the employee have to adapt to the remote work. Some of the employees that work on site, company and the employee working for them have to turn their work to remote work with finding the resources to accommodate their new environment during the pandemic of COVID-19. The next one is developing soft skill. Employee training and development through developing soft skill among employees can help them to adapt the new work environment, and they can use the skill in the future in their workplaces. The HR environment also developing soft skill among the employee in adapting the new work in the future or in the workplace. With the soft skill, the employee can easily to adapting the new work environment.
I will talk about the importance of IT skill in HR perspective. The incorporation of IT capabilities into HR activities has changed how companies manage their staff and simplify their procedure. One of the advantages of using information technology skill in human resource is the automation and efficiency it provides to administration operation. Traditional HR operations such as employee onboarding, record keeping, and payroll management will frequently time consuming manual procedure. However, with the ease of IT skill and system, this operation may now be automated, eliminating mistakes and saving significant time and money. HR software solutions such as Workday and SAP SuccessFactors, for example, enable HR personnel to effectively manage employee data, procedure report, and automotive operation, therefore increase efficiency and accuracy. Another important is employee engagement and development. HR manager will construct interactive training program, distribute company-wide announcement, and foster a feeling of community among employees. To evaluate the employee performance, identify skills shortage, and conduct target development effort. For example, might provide personalized training course to workers using learning platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning to exchange the job satisfaction with the professional progress. By here, I will have a small summarized importance of information technology skill in human resource perspective. The integration of information technology skill into human resource perspective is vital for organizations seeking to adapt and thrive into the digital era. Human resource professionals equipped with international technology with IT competency can leverage technology to optimize process, improve productivity, and drive organization success. Last all, by embrace IT skill, HR department can stay ahead of the curve and effectively meet the evolving needs of the workforce and the organization.
Today I'm going to present the effect IT skills in job requirements. IT skills are the skills that IT professionals need in order to perform their tasks effectively and efficiently. They encompass both hard skills that are directly connected to using and managing technology and soft skills, which are character traits that can facilitate communications and collaborations with other IT professionals. Employees with a range of IT abilities are valued by business and professionals in human resource, which also brings a lot of effects in job requirements. First and foremost, increased confidence and productivity. Time is precious to everyone. If employees want to work smarter, not harder, it's not burden to keep improving IT skills. For example, employees that possess IT skill abilities can save money and time since they can handle technological issues on their own. Besides, have money visibility and security in industry. No matter what industry employees work in, every industry and professionals are becoming more technological focused and software dependent, and those companies and people will have a competitive advantage.
Although IT skills are important in today's world, but there are some negative effects. The need for a wide range of IT skills perpetuates inequality in society because not everyone has equal access to IT skill education and resources. Overemphasis on IT skills can disadvantage people from disadvantaged backgrounds and exacerbate social inequality. Overemphasis on IT skills also inadvertently impact the hiring process. Candidates who lack strong IT skills but have valuable experience or expertise in other areas may be overlooked, leading them to focus on technical capabilities rather than overall skill.
In conclusion, the importance of developing and holding onto talent increase when the skill gap grows. Companies that concentrate on industry-specific info, communication, technology, and soft skills become more productive with more engaged employees. An organization can develop a culture that encourages the growth and success of its employees. through using regular check-ins, developing initiatives, and investing in growth. Technology skills are no longer an asset but rather a requirement for any HR professional today. Since new technologies are released practically every day, HR must be more adaptable than before. Employability is a skill that people should possess to advance in their careers.